Hey guys, Tim Walling here with SC Legal Carry. We train people to get a concealed weapons permit in the state of South Carolina. If you need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online. My little girl's going to be graduating college here shortly. She did it in 3 years. She was wanting one of my pistols. And you guys know that I love these P365 pistols. And 313 Tactical has sent me a new grip. Now this is for the 365 XL. A little bit longer grip on it. He's done the green coloring on it. Good looking grip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a green laser on it for her. We've got night sights on here, and I've already upgraded to the flat trigger from Sig. It's clear, and I'll let you check that trigger out there. Nice crisp break, and the reset on it. You can really hear that reset. It really pushes forward. It's a great gun. I've tested it and shot it a lot, so I know she's getting a good gun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this grip off here. We're going to slide lock it, pop this down. We're going to pop it right out of here. So there's our pin. Now all we got to do is pull this out. I think this one comes out from the back. It does, and it just slides right out. We'll take our new grip and pop it right in. Let's put our pin back. Let's set it just a tiny bit. Here we go. So it just doesn't get much simpler than that. Lift up, pull down. If that gets stuck, lift up, pull down. Now, here we are. So now we've got the P365 XL grip on the P365. The magazine for it. No magazine release. Let me put a magazine release in it real quick. My mistake. Wasn't paying attention. So take this out. There's a tiny hole right up inside here, and we've got to hold this open, insert something in it, something really thin, and then just watch how I just twist it. You just sit and twist it back and forth, and it pulls that little piece right out. Now you can take, be careful for your spring, don't lose your spring. Comes right out. Let's slide it right back into this one. Keeping our spring in place. There we go. Now we can put our magazine in it and it'll lock in place. So here it is with the magazine. That's the 15 round magazine in it. So let's pop open this Lima laser and attach it. Nice looking laser. So here's what comes with your Lima laser. Of course you get your instructions, your installation instructions here. So inside here, you get, pop this open, get all these goodies out of here. So you get Q-tips to clean your laser, clean it all out real good. You have your battery, you have an Allen wrench to install, and then you have your little stickers that go on here that say Danger Laser. DL18N battery is what comes with it. So here's your adjustment, right and left on it, and down here will be your up-down adjustments. And over here are your two screws we take out. We'll take those out real quick. There we go. I didn't have the screw all the way off. Pops out. Battery drops in. Plus side sticks up. Laser is on. Nice and bright laser also. Now, you've got your wire that comes through, comes down to the little pressure switch you press, and this thing snaps right in. Snaps on here, comes over to this side. Remember, we take this little tab right here in the front, put the front tab in, and just give it a little bit of a wiggle, and it snaps right into place. There we are. Quick peek at it on the gun. Here it is with a magazine in it. Plenty to grip there. Trigger works nice. Perfect fit for it. So a slide spider for your P365, it'll go this way, right across here. Give you a little extra grip when you grab it to charge it up. And you want every advantage that you can get when using your firearm. I'll clean this up good. So let's peel this off, center it up. Now let's see if we can walk these down. Slowly get them to lay right in place, right over here too. The little slide spider here. There we go. So just a little extra grip when she grabs that thing so that she can pull that slide back to the rear. Like I say, I want to give her every advantage that I can. Of course, this will help her while she's practicing and training with the firearm. Little model paint that I got, enamel paint. Little sponge brush that you brush with. I just cut little tiny strips off of it when I go to use it. A little bit of paint here. All right, now we will let that sit overnight. It'll be dry in the morning. We let it dry overnight. We just took some white paint, put it into P365. I'm going to take a fresh razor blade and we're just going to scrape this away. little paint thinner, piece of t-shirt. And there we go. Sometimes the paint sticks a little bit too much. Our frog lube, add a little moisture back to that. Be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Secure your firearms. Till next time, folks, take care.